Hello everyone. Today I am going to unbox this flagship premium mobile from Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G. I have purchased it from Samsung Shop app and I was eyeing this mobile since quite some time, but I didn't want to purchase it because the price was close to 1 lakhs approx. In festive seasons the prices have come down. Two sites, Amazon and Samsung Shop, both were offering it for around 70,000. Still, I was not interested, but one day I got a call from Samsung customer care saying that they want to offer me a little bit extra discount, that is 3,500 more discount. So I made up my mind and I ordered it from Samsung Shop. I ordered it from Samsung Shop for another reason also, because Samsung Shop app was offering a 12 months interest free EMI, while Amazon was only offering 6 months interest free EMI. So finally I ordered it and this is in my hands now, and now I'm going to unbox it and open it. We will see what's written in the box. It's 12 GB and 256 GB ROM, 12 GB RAM and 1256 GB ROM version variety, and it's written it's packed September 2021. It has arrived to me on October, so it is quite new, brand new product. And what's inside? One mobile phone, one adapter, one cable, one headset, one ejection pin, S Pen and manual. So total 4 plus 3 7 things are inside. We will open it and we will see it. This box is completely sealed. So we are now going to open it and see.
I'm showing the
Let's
viewers.
unbox it. Okay. So what's there? Oh. So we got something over here. Oh, it's a small few pamphlets where the guides, start guide, quick start guide, warranty card and prisoner log guide. And we have got one pin, that ejection pin, and here we have got it looks so premium. Can you show this mobile clearly? It looks so premium. Oh my god. Oh wow, that camera is quite raised. It's the mystic brown, that is a new color that was offered by Samsung, and it's quite rectangular. So I like this form, and this is absolutely flat from here. So we can see what's there in the mobile.
Continue.
What else we have got over here? We have got here that is the adapter, 25 watt adapter over here, and we have got the wire of this adapter. Oh, this is both sides C-type. Both sides C-type wire. Earlier we used to get one side USB type and one side C-type. So it's both sides C-type wire. And here we have got headset, the earphone with C-type pin. This earphone is from the AKG, as usual from the Samsung earlier versions, flagship versions, and these are the different earplugs which can be used over here. And there is nothing else. Okay, so did we get 7 things? Mobile, adapter, wire 3, ear set 4, then ejector pin 5, pamphlets 6, And what was the seventh thing? S Pen. S Pen is here. So we'll see this mobile. We'll try to switch it on. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It is quite slim. And why I wanted to purchase this mobile? Firstly, because it has got the biggest screen till now from any Samsung product. It is 6.9 inches, and we know the bigger the better. And it offers 120 hertz refresh rate, which also I liked a lot. And then the awesome camera, the 108 megapixel camera, and the periscope camera, and there are so many things which this camera can do. There are optical zooms and other things which I'll explore slowly and slowly. So this screen display is quite awesome. Battery is already 50%. So we will see what everything is there over there. So we have got this C-pin type port, then speaker. It has got stereo speaker, one below and one above. And then this side we have got this volume and power button, and this side we have got nothing at all, nothing. And this side we have got that SIM tray, which we would like to take it out. So this is a SIM tray. One is the only SIM part, and another one is the hybrid part where we can use either one SIM or a memory card. And with the memory, the storage can be expanded up to 1.5 TB. That's quite awesome. So this set really looks awesome. I'll be choosing a so we have connected with the Wi-Fi. So we are here, and I want to show you this comparison. This is my previous phone, Galaxy Note 9, and this is Note 20 Ultra, and you can see how big it is. It is slightly bigger than only slightly bigger than the Galaxy Note 9, while the screen is around 5 inches, 0.5 inches bigger than Note 9. Note 9 has got 6.4, while this has got 6.9 inches screen. So width wise it is quite the same. And only Note 20 Ultra is little bigger in size, in overall size, than Note 9. So I have switched it on, and we are going to see what's inside. So it has got in-display fingerprint sensor, and this is the stock apps which we are getting. So these are all the stock apps, and we are going to see what's inside: phone number, model number, serial number, then software information. We have what? Android version 11 and UI version 3.1. So what I was expecting was that I'll get Android version 10, and then I'll have to get it updated, to download and update it to. So we have got already Android version 11 stock right from the box, and I don't know how much updates will it take. Will it take only one update, Android version 12, or will it go up to the 13? So software update, I am just checking if there is any software update available. No, your software is up to date, so we don't have to update it, we don't have to do it anything. And so in camera we have got single take, we have got photo, video, and more. In more we have got AR Doodle Pro, Panorama, Portrait, dual recording, hyperlapse, slow motion. So many things I'm going to explore one by one, and then I'll post it in the video. We have got 3 modes over here. So I have finished the unboxing, and this is what we have got from the box. We have got the mobile with S Pen, then we have got some booklets, pamphlets, information sheet, then ejection pin, then charger, adapter and the wire, and we have got the earphone, C-type earphone. So that's all for today. And next video, after using this phone, I'll tell you about the specific details of feature, all the qualities and plus points, or if any negative points are there, then I'll tell you. Till then, bye guys. If you like this video, subscribe and press the bell icon for any update. Thank you.